The House of Representatives has urged the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, to enhance the distribution of new 200 Naira, 500 Naira, and 1,000 Naira notes, while phasing out the old ones by the December 31, 2024, deadline set by the Supreme Court. This call followed Hon Victor Ogene's motion, highlighting issues with the recent currency change and the need for public awareness campaigns.
Concerned that the Central Bank of Nigeria has not shown any sign of sensitization or kickstarted any awareness program to remind Nigerians about this important economic policy in order to make them prepare for the deadline of December 31st, 2024. Worried that Nigerians will be plunged into more chaotic situations than what happened in February 2023, when the old 200, 500, and 1,000 Naira notes shall cease to be legal tender and medium of exchange for goods and services as from January 1, 2025. Disturbed that the CBN ought to have started public awareness, such as jingles, television and radio announcements, social media postings, flyers, daily newspapers, and periodic magazine publications 3 months before the deadline. But now, with about 2 months to the deadline, there is nothing to show that the Apex Bank is prepared for the exercise.
Additionally, an ad hoc committee has been formed to investigate recruitment practices at the Federal Inland Revenue Service FIRS, Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC), and Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation (NDIC) to ensure compliance with federal character principles. Concerns were also raised regarding extra-budgetary expenditures.
Concern that if this allegation of lopsided employment and extra-budgetary expenditure are true, the principles of fairness, equity, and transparency are violated. Eroded public trust in critical institutions, reduce operational efficiency, and will foster a sense of marginalizations and hopelessness among sections of Nigerian populace. Worried that the alleged malpractice could undermine the capacity of the Federal Inland Revenue Services, the Corporate Affairs Commission, and Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporations (NDIC) to effectively carry out their mandate, resulting in inefficiency that may affect tax collections, corporate regulation, and the stability of Nigerian financial system.
Furthermore, the House directed electricity management agencies to stop billing public tertiary institutions under the current tariff system and to revert to a more affordable service-based tariff.
Concerned that due to inadequate funding by federal government, public institutions are unable to operate optimally, thus the recent hike in electricity tariffs and the consequent power cut for defaulting institutions has thrown them into total darkness, putting
Honorable Omar Bill, approach the chair.
At risk and security of students and staff in jeopardy. Also concerned that the attendant riots by students due to inability to use important learning equipment resulted in the closure of those of the affected institutions. Worried that grounding of academic activities in Nigeria could lead to incessant frustrations among students and potentially have severe socio-economic consequences.